Want to know about the top stocks for 2024? Welcome to a thrilling world where unpredictability is the only constant. We're about to embark on a journey through the captivating landscape of the stock market, where fortunes can be made or lost in an instant. For 2024, analysts predict a surprising new Magnificent Seven, with companies like Nvidia, Microsoft, Berkshire Hathaway, and ExxonMobil leading the charge. But remember, the market can be as fickle as the weather, and returns are not promised. Stay tuned as we delve into the details of these projected top-performing stocks. Analysts predict a surprising new Magnificent Seven for 2024's top stocks. Among these are familiar names like Nvidia, Microsoft, Berkshire Hathaway, and ExxonMobil, all predicted to be the top gainers in the year ahead. Now let's delve into why these stocks are generating such buzz. Nvidia, a titan in the tech industry, is projected to be the top market value contributor, with a potential 33% increase, adding nearly $400 billion to the S&P 500's value. No small feat indeed. Next up, we have Microsoft. This tech giant is expected to add 9.8% to the S&P 500's value, with a rise of nearly 11%. It's clear that the tech industry continues to be a major player in driving market value. Moving away from tech, we have Berkshire Hathaway. This conglomerate is expected to add a whopping $94.9 billion in market value, surpassing even Meta platforms. And let's not forget ExxonMobil. This energy behemoth is predicted to increase by 26% and add a staggering $104 billion in market value, pushing Tesla out of the top 7. These stocks, along with the rest of the Magnificent Seven, are expected to contribute to 47% of the S&P 500's forecasted $3.1 trillion market value gain in the next 12 months. That's almost half of the total forecasted gain, a testament to their dominance. Remember, while these predictions are based on thorough analyses, the market can be unpredictable, and returns are not guaranteed. Always do your own research and consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before investing. These 7 stocks could potentially dominate the market in 2024. Let's watch this space to see how the Magnificent Seven shape the financial landscape in the coming year. But it's not just about the Magnificent Seven. The stock market is a vast sea, and there are more ships sailing towards promising shores. The S&P 500's growth in 2024 is expected to see significant contributions from stocks outside the technology industry, a notable development that broadens the investment horizon. Consider Berkshire Hathaway, for instance. This multinational conglomerate is projected to add a whopping $94.9 billion in market value, surpassing even Meta platforms. Then there's ExxonMobil, a veteran in the energy sector, expected to increase by 26% and add a staggering $104 billion to its market value, pushing Tesla out of the top 7. These are just 2 examples of the rising stars in the market, proving that tech isn't the only game in town. Corporate profit performance will play a major role in shaping the market in 2024, and with a projected increase of over 10%, it's shaping up to be a good year indeed. So as we navigate through the investment seas, let's keep an eye on these rising stars. Their performance may well surprise us and offer opportunities that we hadn't anticipated. Remember, the stock market is as unpredictable as it is exciting. These rising stars could redefine the market landscape in 2024. The performance of these stocks will not just influence their own value. Each of these giants is a market influencer in its own right. Their performance can send ripples throughout the entire market, affecting other stocks and sectors. The corporate profit performance in 2024 will be a major market influencer. A good year for corporate profits could mean a good year for the market. The dominance of these top stocks is notable, each one holding significant sway over the S&P 500's value. The market in 2024 could be heavily influenced by these top stocks. In conclusion, the stock market in 2024 could see some interesting developments. Analysts have highlighted Nvidia, Microsoft, Berkshire Hathaway, and ExxonMobil, among others, as the potential top gainers in the S&P 500, contributing to nearly half of the forecasted market value gain. Their influence on the market is expected to be significant, with Nvidia potentially contributing a staggering 33% increase to the S&P 500's value. Berkshire Hathaway and ExxonMobil are also predicted to add billions in market value. Keep these stocks on your radar as we move into 2024, and remember, the market can be unpredictable, and returns are not promised.